everyone. This is weird. So I'm doing like a more sit down video. This is gonna be like a video in and of itself because I wanted to do this unboxing with you guys. So it's not a vlog, it's just me here. I have Raph behind the camera. He's holding it for me, so thank you. Do you want to say hi?
Hi, hello.
Anyways, yeah. I didn't do my intro or anything. So I have like a little mini story time, and if you've seen the title of this video, yes, I did indeed get a Prada bag. It's my first Prada bag that I've ever gotten, and I don't know how to feel about it. It's a lot. So I'm gonna do a quick story time, and then we're gonna do like a little unboxing and everything. I'm gonna show you what it looks like. It's very cute. I like it a lot. Ralph said it looked like I was in my underwear. I swear I'm not. I have shorts on. So I'm just gonna put this right here. So story time. This all started when I first got to Palermo. I got here on June the 2nd, and we went to this like center area. It's where all the shopping stores are, like H&M, Zara. Of course it has like Prada, Gucci, Louis Vuitton, and all the other kind of like fancy luxury stores. And it was just a day we were free, we weren't working, and I wanted to go check it out. So we walk into the Gucci store, look around, nothing interesting. We walk into the Louis Vuitton store, nothing interesting. We walked into the Hermes store, they only sold scarves in this Hermes for some reason. Not interested. So we went into Prada. The literal first thing I see is the bag that I got. And this is not the first time that I saw this bag. I saw this bag about 3 months ago on Kylie Jenner. It was like love at first sight, let me just tell you. So I saw it in person. I didn't know where to even buy this bag. I didn't know if you could get it online. I didn't know what the bag was even called. I didn't know because I just saw it in a picture that she had. And I didn't know where you could find it. So we went to this Prada store and I saw it and my heart just fell apart. I loved it so much from the second that I saw it. Obviously we didn't buy it then because it's definitely an investment. It is not something that I personally we can buy willy-nilly. I know some people can if they have that kind of money. That's awesome. But not us, not me, not now at least. So didn't get it then. I was thinking about it. It never left my mind. I was looking it up on Poshmark, on Mercari, on eBay, on The Real, seeing if I could find it somewhere else cheaper or something. Couldn't find it. And then I realized that it is limited edition. And that made it even worse because I already started seeing people post about it like on Poshmark, but they were doubling the price, right? Really ridiculous. So going forward in this story, we went to Naples, we went to Rome. I kept seeing it in Naples, went to the Prada there, saw it there, drooled over it for a few minutes, didn't get it still, then went to Rome, saw it again, the bag was following me. Then we're gonna come back to Palermo. Today is, what's today? As I'm filming this, it is June 25th. And I went in me and Raph both went in the Prada store yesterday, the 24th, just to see if they still had it, and they did, and they said it was the last one in the store, and we just said, we'll think about it, so we left. Again, I talked Raph's ear off about it the whole night last night, and I'm sure he got sick of me. Did you get sick of me?
No.
He says no, but long story short, today we did get it, and we called. We were actually at lunch. I asked Raph if he didn't mind calling the Prada store to see if they still had it, and they said they did and they would hold it for us. So we had lunch and then went to the store, and the lady said that it must have been fate that you were meant to get this bag, because not 30 minutes after she got off the phone with Raph, another couple called saying that they wanted to buy it, and she said it was already sold. So, you know, take that for what you will. I'm so excited about it. I've rambled enough. I know you're here for this. So let's go ahead and do an unboxing. Here's what the beautiful, amazing bag looks like. And I can't believe it. And they put this little tie. And also when we were in the Prada store, after we said we were gonna buy the bag, they bring out these like champagne bottles. They gave Raph some, what did you get, juice?
Yeah, juice.
He got juice because he was driving, and then I got some champagne, and it was really great. So inside here, oh, here is this. I have actually already unboxed this, and I tried to put the bow back on it, and it didn't work. I tried really hard, but here is the beautiful Prada box in all of its glory, and I'm so jazzed. And let's open. Even the actual thing right here is fabric. Can you believe that? So we'll open it up like this, and then here's the little dust bag that it comes in. If you can guess which bag I got before I reveal it, leave it in the comments. Don't cheat. But if you can guess which bag that I got, leave it in the comments and I will tell you if you're right. But this is what I got right here. So this right here, and this is not just the whole thing, this right here is the Prada Re-edition 2005 Saffiano Leather Bag. I don't know if I'm saying that Saffiano word right. And then it also comes with this strap right here. And I can't tell you how excited I have never wanted a designer product more in my life. I don't know what it is. It's just amazingly beautiful. They have the nylon ones as well. They have a lot of really great colors, but when I saw the leather and the gold detailing on it, the nylon ones have silver detailing, but this gold detailing was just it for me. So you can wear it just like this as a little handbag, or you can put it like on your shoulder like that, like a cute little mini bag, or the way that I would wear it is I would clip on this guy. This is like my favorite part. One of my favorite parts of this bag is the coin purse. I don't know why, but I'm gonna start carrying coins around. But you just clip them on pretty much with any crossbody bag. I'm sure you know, you just clip these on just like that, and it turns into a crossbody, and you can wear it like this. I put these on wrong, so I want this bit to be in the front, so I would have it like that. But you guys, this is my bag, and I'm so excited about it. One really cool thing is that I still am in Italy. I'm in Europe as I'm buying this, and it is actually cheaper in Europe to get this here, and you are able to actually get taxes back as well whenever you fly back home to America, for instance, for me. So yeah, you guys, this is my new bag. I love it. I haven't even like opened it up yet. I know it just has like the authentication. So we've got the authentication card right here, which is very important because it is definitely real. And I've got, of course, my receipt and everything, but I'll keep these somewhere safe, keep it secret, keep it safe. And then inside here is just a bunch of like papers and stuff, because I feel like I'm not worthy to wear it. Does that make any sense? Like, I feel like it's too fancy.
No, I understand, yeah.
But I'm so excited. We're going to Venice in a couple of days, and I might wear these to Venice. Anyways, you guys, this is my bag. I will do like a full-on review after I've been wearing it for a couple of months to see like how the quality is, how it holds up. To be honest, I feel like it's gonna hold up just fine because it's, you know, leather. So anyways, that's my bag, and I really hope that you enjoyed this video. And if you haven't followed me on Instagram and TikTok yet, be sure to do that, because I will be posting all the time over there. I post daily on Instagram and TikTok anyways, so at Kenzie Scarlett, follow me there. And follow Raph. What's your social media handles?
Metatron.
Like Metatron YT, or no, it's...
I have Metatron YouTube official on Instagram.
Yeah, and then Metatron YT on TikTok.
Yeah, yes.
His TikTok is blowing up.
Thank you.
So you should totally do that. But yeah, this is my bag.
Adorable.
And I hope you have a great day. I'll see you in the next video. Okay, bye.